Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. If you can hear more of an echo, that's because I kind of rearranged my room, so there's more space, less clutter, looking amazing. Anyways, that's aside. Besides the point, we have seen some nice price action through the overall market, which is currently reflecting into Dogelon Mars. So we're going to get into that right now. Let's get into it. If you want my real-time buy and sell alerts, check out the Patreon. There are a few spots left, and the link is in the description, my beautiful friends. So, we have shown some support around these $40,000 areas in the overall market, and we are indeed heading back up to these $43,000 levels to retest this point of resistance. Now, if we show strong buying pressure pushing through this $43,000 level, and this is the turning point here. If we get through this $44,000 level, then Dogelon Mars will be moving upwards in a beautiful fashion. So let's head straight over to the charts, my beautiful friends. Boom, we're up 6% today. This is just normal because we are hitting support on the overall market. So the price will reflect back into all of these smaller altcoins. However, whenever we do confirm that reversal pattern in the overall market, we will be heading to Mars with this coin. It is getting ready to explode. Look how the volume is starting to thicken up just a tad. Now, this selling pressure did not have much volume. If you look over here, the volume was much bigger, even in consolidation. So it was very simple. The prices of everything is going down, so this will also go down in value. That's what happened. All right. What we are looking at is a test of this 0.618 Fibonacci level. Now, we did come down and indeed test the tops of this 12 level. We came down to the 12s and showed strong buying pressure, okay? We have moved above this previous candle wick at the 13s. Today, we want to see a close above the 13s. We are currently above them, which is beautiful. But we want to see this daily candle close above the 13s. We're going to get down into the 4-hourly candles to get some more price action, okay? Now, it is a nice green candle with volume pushing to the upside. However, it is not strong enough confirmation for me to add more to my positions, okay? The best move was to be adding towards these 12 levels, okay? I have all of you in the Patreon, I issued alerts saying average in towards the 12 levels because it is major support. So, I did not average in. I like to trade on confirmation, but for all of you people that want to get the best prices, want to get the lowest prices, and are continuing to average lower, that would have been the best point to average in. However, for me, I like to trade on confirmation. So this trading on a low is not confirmation. I like to trade whenever we break out of previous resistance, and that is when I add my position. So for example, taking away all these crazy rainbow colors, making it super simple, this is our support we are looking at here, all right? This is the possibility of us coming back down to test this is still pretty high because although we have seen this big green candle with volume, we have also seen a red candle retracing. Now, this is what we want to see in order for this to make the most bullish price action, the most bullish sense, which bullish means it's going to go up. All right, bearish means it's going to go down. This is what we want to see. A 50% retracement at the maximum around this 1280 level, then push higher with volume, closing either as a red candle or above this 1330 level, okay? But it needs to close above this 1280 level. The next 4-hourly candle needs to close above this 1330 level. If I confused you guys, this candle needs to close above the 1280. The next candle needs to close above the 12 or the 1330. That will be confirmation to average in because we will be heading higher to test these previous resistances. And this will be the turning point to see whether we will push higher or not. However, when you average in, you'll be getting around a 1350 break-even point. If you have your alerts on and This is what I'm here for. This is what the Patreon is for. If you have your alerts on, then you will be able to get in. On confirmation, my beautiful people. That is what we are looking at. However, to the downside, if we close this red candle or the next red candle below these 1280 levels, that means we will be coming back down to these 12s to retest and try to reclaim the support level before either breaking lower to the 10s or moving higher. Right now, there is simply not enough evidence to see where we are headed. Now, in the long term, I'm talking simply day to day right now. In the long term, we are in an uptrend. We are following trend line. Everything is looking beautiful. The news is perfect. We are tapering down with volume after a recent spike holding the 10 level. Everything is looking perfect in the macro. However, in the micro, we might be heading back down. There's just not enough evidence to tell. But I will keep you guys updated. If confirmation presents itself, I will let you guys know that it is a beautiful time to start averaging in. However, right now, it is a HODL scenario. If you have gotten in, continue to HODL. The best times for you to have averaged in would have been around these 12 levels. However, now that we are back up, the best time is to HODL because we could very well break higher. You could average in, or we could very well break lower. And then you can get a better price around these 10 levels. So that's what you got. That's what we got. That's what we're working with. And my goodness gracious, Crypto Billionaire 69. Check out the Patreon. Buy and sell alerts. We have a great community. 37 members. And we're just growing by the day, my beautiful people. Email me if you want to talk about the course and see if it is a good fit. I am making the best course possible right now, simplifying all of this information so everybody can understand, really making it as easy to understand as possible. But once you acquire, it's more about the mindset. The technicals you can learn, all right? Technicals you can learn from anybody, but the mindset is what nobody teaches you. It is really behind the big money, behind the curtain, what you need to know. Not only for this coin, not only for crypto, but for every single market in the entire world. How the big money manipulates emotions and uses it to their advantage. So, email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. I had a frog in my throat. It was riveting right there. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's a beautiful day. Go out and do some push-ups, my friends. Out.